my name is Sid Pawar and I work for Dish Network. Our use case is supply planning for repair parts. So for us, it's really important to make sure that the field has enough receivers from the repair stream. Internal customers are production folks. So if they have a good sense of how much material they have, then they can provide a much better commit to the business in terms of how many repaired receivers they will be able to send back to the sales team. Our supply chain is as complex as it can get, but really the complexity can get more and more intertwined when you start involving your second, third, fourth level suppliers. We're looking at somewhere close to about 10,000 parts being planned in Anaplan. What Anaplan has given us is the ability to focus on exceptions. So that has saved us a lot of time, right? Looking at 10,000 parts on a daily or weekly basis, we've been able to now focus on maybe 100 parts on a weekly basis. That has given the ability to focus on those critical parts based on cost, based on lead time, based on minimum order quantities. Right now, with certainty, we have been able to save for each planner about 8 hours a week. It used to take us almost 4 to 5 weeks to get something, planned and then, create purchase orders and send those out to the vendors. Now we have the ability to create, what if scenarios and look at plans, look at sensitivity analysis and all those things in a matter of a few minutes. And by doing that, now we have a lot more flexibility, and if the business changes course, we can correct course a lot faster. There's a lot of certainty, a lot of confidence in the data, a lot of confidence in the decisions that we're making based on the information that we have in the tool. The nice thing is it's cloud-based, and anybody in the organization can just log into the portal and then get to the model and look at it. Changes made on one computer are immediately reflected on another computer. So there's a lot of transparency, and a lot of the job satisfaction comes from the fact that they don't have to send emails and have to add redundancies to what they're normally doing. We brought in Anaplan as a planning solution. But really what it's become, and it's really evolved into, is a decision-making tool. We took our team members and we said, you're no longer data monkeys, you are decision makers. So it's really elevated their job satisfaction.